In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OBS Studio for screen recording. You can see I have already opened Google. Then here I type OBS Studio. Then you can download the latest version from the official website. Once you've done it, you need to go in this OBS Studio. You can see I have already opened. Now you can see scenes already created, but you can again click on this plus button. Then you can create a name, like you can set up your own OA skin. Now this is the sources. Just again click on plus, then which type of data you need right now, like screen capture, audio capture, and video capture, etc., etc. For example, I need to screen capture right now. Then click make OS screen capture. If you are using Windows laptop and PC, you can see the default word like screen capture, screen recording, etc. You can click then OK. So you can find this method like display capture, window capture, and application capture. So I need only display capture. If you click application capture, window capture, this is a specifically you can capture on software or application, but I don't need to type up. I need whole screen capture. I select the first one. Then here are select your display resolution, like if your display 4K 8K, you will get best output from here. You can see I currently use MacBook Neo, so this is my display size, monitor display size. I choose the default, then click on OK. But you can see this is a whole capture did not capture here, but I need to click on right button, then click on transform, then click stretch through skin. Wow, here the four corner will be good visibility to you and best output. Thanks for watching. See you again.